Circly here. So let's do this. Let's play Rivals today. We gotta be playing Rivals.
I'm going to play.
Curly's here. Curly's here.
What's up?
Guys, Curly's here. Curly's
Come
here.
here with me, Foxy. Foxy, come here. No, follow me. 2v1. Foxy, I said 2v1.
Foxy from
I said Foxy.
No, Foxy.
I said Foxy.
What?
I said Foxy first.
Okay,
Guys,
okay. Now I know.
Screaming a lot.
What? But Curly's playing with us.
Hey, no. Get out. Okay, now come here.
Okay, guys, we're back. The mic is on. This one. Come on, dude. Ugly. Dude, why? Why would you choose this ugly map?
That's it. You are done for. You are done for when you choose that map. So I'm crazy.
Why do you love this map?
That's it.
I'm going to a super special secret bunker. I found a new bunker that. Okay.
Me? Stop. I said stop.
Guys, they're going crazy.
Where's Foxy? I know where is he hiding.
No, you're not. No, you don't.
Don't be like a baby Foxy.
No, you do not You do not know where I am hiding because I'm going to another place right now. No! Why am I? What? There's a super special secret wall here. So I'm getting out of here.
Come here, Foxy. Don't be like a baby.
Hey! Dude, why is Curly not in the server?
Because you left me.
You
left me. I'm playing with a guy named Lol.
Bruh. Guys, Curly's playing with a guy named Lo.
Bro. Get more.
Guys, nobody knows where I'm hiding.
Can you? I know where you're at.
No, you do not, Curly. Guys, Curly does not know where I am. Not now.
I know where's Foxy. He's up. Okay. Where's Foxy too?
I see you. Chef?
Foxy? Ah, yeah, there you are. Are you in the stupid little tower?
Guys, I'm just having trouble with nicknames. I just forgot that those are nicknames. I just quickly forgot, sir, please.
Come here. So much light.
Nothing.
Come here. So much light.
Oh my gosh, guys, I just killed Circly.
Where are you, Mr. Foxy?
Where are you, fat ass?
Bro, this is inappropriate.
I'm gonna tell you where.
God, you know what? I want to record.
Where are you? I'll win if you don't fight me.
I see you.
Yes!
Why did I kill you?
Because you didn't kill me, Foxy.
I hate you, fuck. I
I told you this is big.
I hate you, Curly.
Coolie.
What?
Throw.
Call me like a coolie.
Today we are playing.
Dude, why are you recording you so stupid?
What game? If you want to, for me to play more games, you can find out the code.
How did Bro revive himself? Guys, how did Surplay revive himself? He was clearly dead.
I forgot meat.
Have fun. Show them our loot.
Cool. I almost forgot that. That went.
Yeah! Oh my god! I can make myself.
Hello.
Wait. I'm watching Surplay. Guys, this is my cam. This is my cam.
Yes, what's
They're so focused. Why the heck am I red? Why am I red?
Then me and Foxy are talking. Like we're talking in bot and both of us are happy. Like,
Take that, buddy!
so let's just so I'm gonna wait for the
Let's go.
I'm gonna wait for them. Okay. Let's wait until they finish the round. Whoa. Whoa.
I'm gonna make it.
Whoa.
Hopefully this boy don't get that boy!
Back here, the boy. Stop dodging like a little.
What's our first?
Hey, cheater.
I hate this guy. I hate this guy.
Who? The one who's jumping on the trampoline?
I hate this baby.
Oh my gosh, he just died.
Cheater.
Oh my gosh.
I hate this stupid book.
Guys, we just think when we were small, we thought buck was a bad word, but it was not. This is a B. This is not an F.
No, you're not. You're trashy.
F is a bad word. So, but B is fine. It's
No, where are you, Mr. Foxy?
you don't know. Oh my gosh, super! Oh my gosh, I cannot even get in there. That was... Hey! I see you up there. Stop! I'm gonna leave the game!
Guys, Foxy's raging right now.
I know you spin.
Bro, I'd rather play with I'd rather play with Curly instead of you guys.
Yeah, whatever. I'm not baby. I see you.
Chicken wing, chicken wing, chicken wing.
Yo!
So, God, did you finish?
Enough of those sniper! Enough of these crossbows first! Stop! Fine, then I'll do that too. But don't use the sniper! Okay, fine,
Okay, as you see here, this is my friend. And
I said I just want to do a trick shot! Bro, why you don't let me do a trick shot?
and Slurp.
Use something else! Don't copy me like an exo gun!
As you can
Huh?
see, this is my church. It's 9%.
No!
It's gonna finish. So I'm sorry. And let's keep going. Wait a minute, not YouTube. I'm sorry. Bro, they're taking minutes to finish.
Whoa!
Whoa, I wonder what Foxy doing right now.
I can, guys.
Foxy, if I can recommend.
Stop! I hate you!
Don't call me Nana.
You fat ass.
Nana.
Guys, in real life, actually, Slurpee is such a fat ass.
Dude.
Yep.
Guys.
He is a fatty.
He's fat, yeah? Look, Cooley is his brother, so he knows that he's fat.
If you don't stop killing me, Foxy, you don't know where I am, right?
Yes, I do. I
Foxy,
know.
you are bad at this game and you are stupid.
You're the most stupidest one.
No, you're the most stupid one on the game.
Stop saying bad words.
Hit the wall.
Stop or you're banned from the channel. Stop or you're banned. Stop! I'm leaving. I'm leaving.
No, that's it. Leave us. I figured you have to play with me.
No.
No, Chrissy. Play with me, okay?
No.
Why I said? Oh my gosh, I can't believe I just destroyed him like a trick shot.
Guys, how about we just play another game?
Guys.
What?
No.
I play with you guys already. Okay, fine.
Okay, bye guys.